Now, very good morning to students of standard 6th. In previous lecture, we have just started our new chapter, that is chapter number 2, components of the food. Okay. In components of the food, we have just introduced our chapter in the first lecture, and we have just what these things contains, what the food contains in it, that also we have seen in the first lecture. Okay. In first lecture, we have just got information on the food that is eaten by different states and different people of our India also. You can also make a different types of menu that is eaten by the different types of people in our India. Okay. On the basis of that, we are just saying that why we are eating all this food, for what purpose we are eating all this food. On the basis of that, we have concluded that in a previous lecture that we get some there are some components present in the ingredients of the food that is needed by our body. Okay. And that components are known as a what does it is known as? It is known as a nutrients. Okay. It is known as a nutrients. Okay. How many types of nutrients we are just going to study about? They are carbohydrates. They are carbohydrates. Then comes vitamins, vitamin, protein, then fat and minerals. Okay. So these are the nutrients that is used by our body, which is present in the ingredients of the food. Okay. So these are the components that are seen in the food. Yes, students. And today we are going to start our 2.1 only, topic number 2.1 that was remaining. In that we are going to start the taste of all the food. Okay. They have given the 3 taste of one of the taste is of a carbohydrate, another one is of a protein, and third one is of a fat. Okay. So these 3 taste shows or gives us a result that whether the food contains proteins, fat, or a protein, fat, and a carbohydrate. Okay. So first of all, you should know which are the things that are used to know the food, whether it contains a carbohydrate, whether it contains the fat, or whether it contains the proteins. Okay. So which are the materials that are used in this, that we will write here. Okay. First of all, you have to take the test tube. You have to take 3 to 4 test tube. Okay. Which things you should take? You should take 3 to 4 test tube. Okay. Then next one is iodine. Okay. Iodine. Then third one is copper sulfate. Copper sulfate. Okay. Its formula is CuSO4. Then caustic soda. Caustic soda. Okay. That's name, chemical name, it is sodium hydroxide. Okay. So these things you have to take it to know the components of nutrients present in the food. Okay. While taking all these things in a lab, from the lab, you can perform at your home also if you take all these things, and if you want to find out whether the carbohydrate is present in the food or not, whether the protein is present in the food or not, whether the fat is present in the food or not, these things are known by the things that we have just written on the board. Okay. Now first test, it is given of a carbohydrates. Okay. first test is of a carbohydrates. Okay, now what does a carbohydrates include in it, and how we can perform the carbohydrate test? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, first of all you have to, what you have to take? First of all you have to take the first of all you have to take the food. After that, taking the food, then you have to, if you can take the food also and you can take the ingredients of the food. Okay, both you can take. Okay, after that you have to put 2 to 3 drops of the iodine. Okay, you have to put the 2 to 3 drops of the iodine or tincture iodine, okay, in it. Okay, after putting that, what you have to do? You have to see the changes in the test tube. Okay, first of all take the test tube. ओके, हमने टेस्ट ट्यूब ले लिया. फिर क्या है, जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट जो फूड है हमारा, तो वो फूड आप ले सकते हैं. यू हैव टू फिल इट विद द फूड, और जो फूड बनाने में जो चीज़ आपने उपयोग की है वो चीज़ भी आप यहाँ पे ले सकते हैं. ओके, फूड और इंग्रेडिएंट्स. आफ्टर दैट you have to put some of the drops of iodine. Okay, how many drops? You can put 2 to 3 drops of iodine in it. Okay, when you put 2 to 3 drops of iodine in this food, you will see the changes in this test tube. Okay, which color it you will see? Black, blue. Okay, blue to black or black to blue, black to blue. It is given in your textbook like that only, black to blue. So when you see this color in the test tube, at that time you should know that there is presence of a carbohydrate in this. Okay, in this food the presence of carbohydrate is there. So this is the simple, test of a carbohydrate. How does you will get the carbohydrate? Okay, and how you will know whether the carbohydrate is present in this food? By performing this test, you know how to you will know whether the carbohydrate is present in this. Okay, now second test is of proteins. Okay, नाउ प्रोटीन्स में क्या करना पड़ेगा कि प्रोटीन्स हमें है, इस तरह के फूड आप ले सकते हैं, और फूड लेने के बाद, और नो, यू हैव टू टेक द इंग्रेडिएंट्स ऑफ द फूड. ओके, आफ्टर टेकिंग द इंग्रेडिएंट्स ऑफ द फूड, यू हैव टू मेक इट अ पाउडर एंड यू हैव टू जस्ट मेक अ पेस्ट ऑफ इट. यस और नो? आफ्टर मेकिंग द पेस्ट, you have to add 2 chemicals in it that we have just written here. One was sodium hydroxide, it is also known as a caustic soda, and another chemical was our copper sulfate. Okay, CuSO4. Okay, that too copper sulfate and sodium hydroxide. Okay, in the ingredients. Now while putting these 2 things, you have to take care about the sodium hydroxide. How you will put sodium hydroxide, how much you will put the sodium hydroxide, that you have to be very careful while performing this test of proteins. When you just make a powder of protein or ingredients of the food, okay, first of all you have to make a paste of it and all these things. After that you have to add CuSO4. CuSO4 means this is the chemical formula of copper sulfate. Okay, in your textbook they have just given the name of this chemical. Okay, that chemical name is copper sulfate. Here I will write it, copper sulfate. Okay, and here its name is caustic soda. Caustic soda. ओके, एक कॉस्टिक सोडा की जगह हम क्या बोल सकते हैं इसको? सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. Na मीन्स सोडियम. ओके, Now if you think that why it is known as sodium and it is written as a Na, because there is a difference in both of them, that's why नेम है जो हमारे घर में जो हमारा नाम एक और होता है और हम घर में भी एक दूसरे नाम से हम एक दूसरे को बुलाते हैं, इसी तरह इसका भी ऐसा ही कुछ है. ओके, नाउ यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट दिस इज अ सोडियम एंड दिस इज ऑक्सीजन एंड दिस इज हाइड्रोजन, दिस इज copper and SO4 means sulfur and oxygen. Okay, so its name is copper sulfate and its name is sodium hydroxide, but in your textbook it is given as a caustic soda. That is the other name of this NaOH or sodium hydroxide, you can say as a caustic soda. Okay, now you have to take the CuSO4, that is copper sulfate, and you have to put in that paste. Okay, after putting that CuSO4 you have to put 10 drops of NaOH, 10 drops of the NaOH. After putting all, see on the board, after putting in it, what you will notice? You will notice that there is one of the color change in the proteins, okay, in the food or in the ingredient paste that you have been made. Which color is that? That color is of a violet color. Which? Violet color. Okay, you will see your ingredient paste which you have made, that paste, you will see that in a violet color. If the test give you a violet color, then you should know that, or then you should say that this food contains more amount of proteins in it. Okay, this is the second test of proteins. First test was of carbohydrates. Okay, in that only you have to take the food gradients or a food, and in that you have to put just 2 to 3 drops of the iodine. Okay, while putting 2 to 3 drops of the iodine in it, you will see the color change black to blue, and that color indicates this food contains carbohydrates. In proteins you have to take the ingredients of the food, then powder it, then make a paste of it, and after that add CuSO4, that is our copper sulfate, and second one is our caustic soda. 10 drops of caustic soda. Okay, after putting the 10 drops of caustic soda in our solution of ingredients that we have been made, okay, after putting that, after some time you will see, or you will find that this test change the color, okay, color of the ingredients that we have been used. Okay, it will change into a violet color. That violet color indicates that there is a presence of proteins in our food. Now next and the last test is of a fat. Okay, फैट में तो कुछ नहीं होता. फैट कौन सी चीज़ से हमें मिलता है, तो वो भी एक आपको पता होना चाहिए. एक तो ऑयली चीज़ जो भी है तो वहाँ से हमें फैट मिलता है. यस और नो? फ्रॉम राइस इज ऑल्सो, राइस ऑयल इज ऑल्सो कमिंग फ्रॉम देयर वी आर गेटिंग द फैट. ओके, देन कोकोनट ऑयल, देन ग्राउंडनट ऑयल, देन सोयाबीन ऑयल, देन जो तल होते हैं ना तो उसका भी तेल निकलता है, तो उसका तेल. ओके, सो घी, बटर, ऑल दिस थिंग्स, फ्रॉम ऑल दिस थिंग्स वी आर गेटिंग द फैट्स. नाउ how to perform the test of a fat? That is the simple, or you can just do at your home also. Okay, the test of a fat that you can do at your home also. Take the food or ingredients of the food. जो चीज़ फूड बनाने में काम आती है वो चीज़ लेके आपको एक पेपर लेना है. क्या पहले तो एक तो इंग्रेडिएंट्स ऑफ द फूड यू हैव टू टेक फॉर द फैट्स. ओके, इंग्रेडिएंट्स ऑफ द फूड आपने ले लिया. फिर बाद में क्या करना है, तो क्या बाद में एक पेपर में ये सब कुछ, एक पेपर लिया. ओके, वाइट पेपर, यू हैव टू टेक द वाइट पेपर. Then what you have to do, third thing is that you have to put all the things, all the ingredients of the food in a paper. In paper, okay, then close it and rub it and rub it. अगर आप रब करेंगे, एक पेपर लेना है, पेपर में सारे फूड के इंग्रेडिएंट्स होते हैं ना, तो वो उसमें डालना है, फिर बाद में क्या करना है कि आपको पेपर क्लोज करके आपको सीधा रब करना है. अगर घिसना है तो इस तरह आप घिसेंगे, उसे आपको इस तरह घिसना है कि वो पेपर जो है हमारा, जो हमने जो पेपर लिया है वो टूट ना जाए, वो ख्याल हमें रखना है इस टेस्ट में. ओके, अगर वो टूट जाता है तो उसका रिजल्ट हमें मिलता नहीं है, इसलिए हमें उसका एक ख्याल रखना पड़ेगा. बाद में क्या करना पड़ेगा कि बाद में आपको जब रब अच्छी तरह उसका रब करना, फिर अगर आप रब करके अगर वो पेपर को आप खुला छोड़ देंगे, आफ्टर सम टाइम और विदिन अ मिनट यू विल सी, और विदिन अ सेकेंड्स you will see a small spots, a small oily spot on the paper. Okay, that spot, that black color spot will be there. Okay, that oily spots you can see. Okay, that spot indicates that there is a presence of a fat in these ingredients of the food. Okay, from that you can conclude that there is presence of a fat in these ingredients. Okay, so this is the simple test. This is the simple test of a fat that you can do at your home or you can perform at your home. Okay, students, after that we will see our next topic. That our next topic is of 2.2 various nutrition due to our body. Means various nutrition, does it need? Our body need various types of nutrition. Why? The question is asked that our body needs different types of food or different types of nutrients. Why our body needs? Now we will just discuss about the nutrients and their usefulness in our body. First of all, which are the 5 nutrients that we have studied in first lecture? They were carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Okay, after that we have seen there, after that we have seen in the first lecture about the all the nutrients, and in that topic only we have seen about the we have seen the test of all these 3 things. Okay, now we will see the carbohydrates. Okay, why do we need the carbohydrates in our body? Why do we need the carbohydrates in our body? In our body, carbohydrates give the energy. It gives carbohydrates provides, what does it provides? It provides energy to our, it provides energy to our body. Okay, carbohydrate provides energy to our body. And second thing is, these carbohydrates are also known as a energy giving food. What is the second name of a carbohydrate? Energy now I will explain you how does it provides energy. अगर आप 2 दिन से भूखे हैं, फिर आप 2 दिन किस तरह आपने निकाले वो आपको पता है. Okay, then also your body is working. How it is working? Without food, how it is working? because this fat, sorry, because of this carbohydrates, it is stored in our body. Okay, that energy which is stored in our body, when we are not getting food, our body takes energy from it. Okay, it will take from our body and use it, and will be stable when we are not taking food for one time or two times. Okay, in a day two times or 2 days also. Hunger, some are having only, some are just having hungerness in their body. Okay, if they are not eating for 1 or 2 days, so they will get the energy from this carbohydrate which is stored in our body. So it is known as a energy giving food. Now next thing is carbohydrate, then we will talk about vitamins and proteins and fats. Okay, okay, here fat is written, so we will talk about the fat only. Now here it is proteins. Okay, we will talk about the proteins now. Sorry, fat. Okay, fat is nothing but it increases the shape of our body. Okay, बहुत कोई लड़का ऐसा है कि वो बहुत थिक है, बड़ा है इन बॉडी में, तो उसके अंदर फैट की ज़्यादातर मात्रा में होगा. वो ज़्यादा मात्रा कौन सी होगी उसमें, तो फैट की मात्रा ज़्यादा होगी. तो फैट हम कौन सी चीज़ से मिलता है, तो फैट हमें कौन सी चीज़ से मिलता है. फैट तो सब ऑयल्स होते हैं ना, तो उसमें से हमें फैट मिलता है. कोकोनट ऑयल, ओके, सोयाबीन, then comes coconut, groundnut, then cotton seeds oil. Okay, cotton seed oil. In market we are using most of this oil. In our home we are just having this oil for cooking all the things, but best oil is known as groundnut oil. Its price is higher than this coconut seed oil also. Okay students, when you are buying this groundnut oil is more beneficiary than the cotton seed oil. Okay, and the patient with a heart disease cannot eat groundnut oil. The disease of a heart, the person who is having the disease of heart cannot eat which oil? Groundnut oil. Why? Why? Because this groundnut oil is thick in its, okay, thickness of this groundnut oil is more than the cotton seed oil. That's why they should not take the groundnut oil. It is unhealthy to the person who is having a disease of any हार्ट पेशेंट हम जो बोलते हैं ना, हार्ट पेशेंट जिसको है कि अगर किसी को हार्ट अटैक आ गया है तो वो लोग को एक ग्राउंडनट ऑयल नहीं खाना चाहिए, और एक दूसरा क्या है कि उसको बफेलो का मिल्क नहीं पीना चाहिए, उसको काऊ का ही मिल्क पीना चाहिए. बिकॉज काऊ के मिल्क में फ़ैट कम होते हैं और बफेलो के मिल्क में फ़ैट ज़्यादा होता है. इसलिए जो हार्ट के जो मरीज़ है, जो पेशेंट है, तो उसको क्या करना चाहिए, तो उसको ये जो चीज़ें कोकोनट, ग्राउंडनट ऑयल एंड बफेलोज मिल्क दे शुड नॉट टेक इन देयर लाइफ who is facing from heart attack or having any disease with the heart, that person. Okay, so we can know that fat is also stored in our body. Okay, if I give an example of an camel, okay, we are saying that camel stores the food and water in its body. Yes, that is right, but where they do store पानी, क्या उसके पेट में पानी ही रहेगा, पानी की जगह पे पानी ही रहेगा, या कुछ उसमें से बन जाएगा. अगर हम पानी पीते हैं तो हमारे बॉडी में क्या सिर्फ पानी ही रहेगा, वहाँ पे पानी का तो कुछ होगा ना, वहाँ पे फिल्ट्रेशन होगा, फिर उसका रिएक्शन होगा, फिर एवरी बॉडी को वो मिलता है. ओके, जो पानी के अंदर मिनरल्स है, कंपोनेंट्स है, तो वो सारे शरीर को मिलता है, सारे बॉडी को मिलता है। तो उसी तरह जो कैमल होते हैं तो वो जो खाते हैं, जो पीते हैं, तो वो सब कुछ किस में ट्रांसफ़र हो जाता है, तो वो सब कुछ फैट में ट्रांसफ़र हो जाता है। ओके, एंड दैट फैट is stored in their body. Okay, fat and energy that is stored in their body, and whenever they require water or whenever they require food, this fat is used again. Okay, so this is a story of a camel, how they are reusing the water and food in their in the times of when they are not getting a food or water. In that time they are reusing the fat, okay, which is stored in their body. Okay, so this is the basic of a fat that we are getting from the oil seeds. Okay, that rice is also rice also comes in the fat only. Okay, so we'll conclude our lecture here, and we'll just talk about other things, that is proteins, other nutrients, that is proteins, vitamins, okay, and minerals in next lecture. Till that you should study all the things that I have just taught in chapter number 2, components of the food, and you should read the textbook, and so you will know better. First of all you have to see the video, and after that you have to go through the textbook. Okay students, and I will also give the homework when this video is uploaded. Thank you, and stay at your home and stay safe. Thank you students.